How to check hero stats in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can look out at it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, there's an option called Heroes. Simply tap on Heroes. Here, there are different heroes and characters that you can choose on. So, simply tap on the one which you want to know about. So, here I'm tapping on one. Now, here on the right top, tap on this sword-like icon. And here you'll be able to see stats. Tap on stats. So basically here are basic, offensive and defensive. Now here you can see different points and health bar too. So you can look out at it and easily select the hero according to the gameplay. So these are very important in the gameplay. Now we can customize and choose the heroes whichever you want to play with and accordingly match the stats. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.